2026 Suzuki RM85. The two-stroke king is back. The legend returns. The roar of the two-stroke engine is back, and Suzuki has done it again. The 2026 Suzuki RM85 marks the glorious return of a legendary dirt bike that once ruled tracks around the world. Known for its unmatched power, lightweight body, and iconic sound, the RM85 has made a stunning comeback in 2026 with modern updates while keeping its old-school racing soul alive. This is Wheel World, and today we dive deep into the power, history, and upgrades of the new RM85, the king of two-strokes history, the legacy of a racing icon. The RM85 first hit the dirt in the early 2000s, becoming a favorite among young riders and professionals alike. Suzuki built it to dominate motocross competitions, and it quickly became known for its aggressive acceleration and easy handling. Over the years, as four-stroke bikes began to take over, the RM85 slowly disappeared from the spotlight, but its name never died. Fans all over the world kept asking for its return, and now, after years of waiting, Suzuki has answered the call. Engine and performance, two-stroke power is back. The heart of the 2026 RM85 is its legendary 85 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled two-stroke engine. It's light, powerful, and built for serious riders. Suzuki has tuned this new version for better throttle response, higher durability, and smoother gear shifting. Despite being small in size, the RM85's engine delivers explosive acceleration, making it perfect for dirt racing and off-road adventures. The sound of this two-stroke beast alone is enough to bring back memories of old-school motocross glory. And yes, Suzuki has made it even more reliable. Improved cooling, upgraded piston design, and a new exhaust system give it the punch and stamina riders love. Design and build, modern style meets classic soul. The 2026 RM85 looks meaner than ever. Suzuki has given it a sharp and aggressive body design inspired by its bigger siblings, like the RMZ 450. The bodywork is slim, aerodynamic, and designed for ultimate control. With a new lightweight aluminum frame, this machine delivers perfect balance between power and handling. The seat is redesigned for better comfort and grip, while the handlebar position gives full control during jumps and cornering. And the graphics, bold, yellow, and unmistakably Suzuki, reminding everyone that the king of two-strokes has returned. Suspension and handling, ready for any track. Suzuki has upgraded the Showa suspension system on the 2026 RM85 for maximum stability and confidence. The front forks are fully adjustable, allowing riders to tune them for different terrains. The rear suspension offers better rebound and compression damping, which means smoother landings and tighter turns. Whether it's dirt, mud, or rocky terrain, this 85 ringgit is ready to conquer every challenge with precision. Wheels, brakes, and control, built for champions. The wheel setup has been improved for both performance and durability. With a strong front 17-inch and rear 14-inch combination, riders get more traction and control. Suzuki's braking system is sharp and responsive, giving riders the confidence to push the limits. The wheels are wrapped in high-grip tires designed for pure motocross action. No compromise, just performance. What's new in 2026? So what's changed in the 2026 Suzuki RM85 compared to the old models? New exhaust and cooling design for longer life and better airflow. Modernized bodywork inspired by RMZ series bikes. Upgraded suspension with full adjustability. Improved clutch system for smoother shifting. Refined two-stroke tuning that meets modern emission standards without losing its signature power. Suzuki has kept the essence of the original 85 ringgit intact, but added just the right amount of modern technology to make it ready for today's dirt riders. The king of dirt, Suzuki's comeback statement. The return of the RM85 isn't just a launch, it's a statement. Suzuki is showing the world that two-strokes are not dead. They are evolving, stronger, faster, and still loved by true dirt enthusiasts. This bike represents pure passion, no complicated electronics, no heavy body, just raw power and skill. For those who grew up dreaming of the sound of a two-stroke engine, the The 2026 RM85 is a dream come true. Conclusion: the legend lives on with the 2026 Suzuki RM85. The dirt bike world has been reignited. It's fast, aggressive, and loyal to its legacy. Suzuki didn't just bring back a bike, they revived a legend, one that will once again rule tracks and hearts around the globe. Stay tuned to Wheel World for more powerful updates, bike reviews, and the biggest stories from the motorcycle universe. The king is back. The roar is real. This is the 2026 Suzuki RM85. 2026 Suzuki RM85. Wheel and handlebar power review control meets power. The 2026 Suzuki RM85 isn't just about speed, it's about control. And that control begins with its wheels and handlebar design, both of which play a massive role in how this two-stroke legend performs on dirt tracks. This is Wheel World, and in the next 3 minutes, we'll explore how Suzuki has made the RM85 stronger, smoother, and more balanced than ever. Wheels built for balance and grip. Suzuki has equipped the 2026 RM85 with a 17-inch front wheel and a 14-inch rear wheel setup, the perfect combination for stability and corner control. The lightweight aluminum rims reduce vibration and improve acceleration, while the high-grip motocross tires bite into dirt like never before, giving riders unmatched traction on sharp turns or bumpy trails. These wheels are designed for racers who love quick takeoffs, tight cornering, and smooth landings. Every rotation feels powerful yet precise, a reminder that this bike is born for the track. Handlebar, full command in your hands. Moving up top, the handlebar of the 2026 RM85 has been completely redesigned for better control and comfort. Suzuki has given it a wider stance for better handling in rough terrain and jumps. The new rubber-mounted grips reduce vibration, keeping your hands steady during long rides. Whether you're cutting through a dirt corner or landing from a high jump, the handlebar provides the perfect response. Strong, smooth, and in sync with every move. Suzuki also adjusted the handlebar height slightly to improve the rider's posture, giving more comfort and balance even in aggressive riding positions. Conclusion: precision you can feel. In the 2026 Suzuki RM85, the wheel and handlebar system work together like a perfect pair, delivering both stability and control. Every grip, every turn, every jump feels more confident than ever. Suzuki has built this bike not just for speed, but for riders who want to feel the dirt, master the ride, and rule the track. This is Wheel World, where power meets precision and legends like the RM85 are reborn.